Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. So in today's video we are going to discuss a difference between a financial management accounting as well as financial accounting. So some of you have so many questions that I'm going to address today. So I make some notes so that I can make everything clear step by step. Okay, the first part that we are going to do, guys, we are going to do the difference between financial accounting and financial management. The second part that we are going to cover is which one is difficult and why, and how are you going to overcome that situation. Number two that we are going to talk about. Then number three that we are going to discuss is about career opportunity and jobs availability. Alright, let's start with the first part. On the first part, guys, we are going to discuss the difference between financial accounting and financial management. If you are coming here for the first time, guys, in this channel, please make sure that you left your subscription as well as like this video so that more and more people can be able to watch this video. Okay, number one, when we talk about financial accounting, guys, each and every business must have financial accounting. It's a must. It's a must to prepare a financial statement. So when we do financial accounting, the main purpose is to prepare a financial statement. However, when we deal with management accounting, this is for decision making. Some of the business might opt that they are not going to have a financial management accounting in their business. So no one is going to force them to have this kind of accounting. So this accounting is not a must. So you have to know that. Alright, let's go to number two. Number two is that under financial accounting, guys, all those financial statements that we prepare, they are going to be edited or audited by auditors. So which means that, in other words, when we prepare a financial accounting, we are doing it with the purpose that someone is going to check them. So when we talk about financial management, no one is going to recheck all those accounts that we prepare under management accounting. Remember, I say that management accounting is for the decision making purpose. It's for internal purpose. So it's for us, as a business, so that we will be able to do what? To solve some problem that we identify when we prepare our management accounting. Let's take another difference. The other difference is that when we deal with financial accounting, we are dealing with the transaction that has already occurred. So in other words, when we prepare our income statement, for example, we prepare income statement for the all transaction that happened during the year. So which means that we are dealing with the past transaction. Okay, then when we come to financial management accounting, we deal with a future. Remember, we want to solve some problem that we identify that this is a challenge for a business, or this is reducing our profit. It's for decision making. So we are planning for a future so that we can find a better results. Another very important one, the different. Okay, when we talk about financial accounting is regulated by International Financial Reporting Standard, which we also know it as IFRS. So when we talk about financial accounting, this is regulated by standard. We don't just do it the way we want, we do it according to the standard. However, when we deal with financial management, guys, remember, no one is going to check all those things that we are doing, all those decisions that we are making, which means that for financial management, there is no rule that is going to regulate a financial management. So that's the main difference, guys, that you have to know between financial accounting and financial management. Now let's go to the second question. Now, people ask, which one is difficult and why, and how are you going to overcome that? Okay, let's start with number one, which is financial accounting. according to my experience, or according to me, financial accounting is very simple. Why? Because when we prepare our financial statement, we just follow what the GAP principle or IFRS says. If the IFRS says we have to prepare our financial statement according to a matching concept, which we only have to record income and expense on their current year, which means that that's what we are going to do. So that's why I'm saying that a financial accounting is very simple, because we have a rule, we have a guide on how are we going to do it and what we should do. Okay, and number two, when we deal with a financial accounting, the challenge is that if you don't know the rule and you do it according to the way you think, you're going to do it wrong, which means that when we talk about financial accounting, that could be challenged. So you have to make sure that you know the GAP principle or the IFRS or International Accounting Standard, so that you can do everything accordingly. Okay, then number two, let's take now our financial management accounting. Okay, number one, it might be difficult to follow someone's rule. Remember, a financial management, we don't have approved rules, which means that we are just using somebody's theory, the way they think. So sometimes it can be difficult for you to adjust all those rules that someone suggested. So that's the challenge that you can face when you are dealing with financial management. The other thing is that under financial management, guys, we don't have a lot of rules. That's an advantage. We don't have a lot of rules that we have to follow. But when we are dealing with financial accounting, guys, we have many big accounting standard textbook that you have to follow, which means that there is a lot of job on the other side. So, as a conclusion, for which one is difficult, is depend on how you think, or is depend on your favorite sometimes. As for me, I just love financial accounting. I specialize with financial accounting. So for me, I find it simple because I'm just in love with it. You get my point? So sometimes you can find that we have some people who just love financial management because maybe when they are still in high school or university, they were getting higher marks on that module, which means that that might be the reason why they love it so much. Alright, then the last part that we are going to focus is career opportunity. Okay, when we talk about a career opportunity, on the first one we have a financial accounting. Remember, I said that all business must have a financial accounting. Simply means that financial accounting is everywhere. Every business have it, which means that opportunities might be there. Okay, then when we talk about financial management, some business, they decided that they don't want that accounting because they want to reduce number of staff so that they can not have a lot of expenses, which means that financial management sometimes can be disadvantaged. But there are a lot of students who are doing financial accounting. It simply means that it might be challenged as well. According to me, most of people, they are scared of financial management, which means that it must be, we might have a scared people on that side, which means that the shortage might be there on financial management. So that's what I wanted to explain to you guys so that you can know the difference between those two. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video. I'm gonna see you on the next one. Goodbye.